Hey guys, welcome to America Outdoors, where it's all about getting outside and having fun. Today I'm going to do a product review on the barbecue that's behind me, Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Fed Barbecue. So if you like this video, if you find it informative, hit that like button, subscribe, share it, do whatever you can, help me out. So I'm going to turn the camera around, we'll get after it. Well, here it is, Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Fed Barbecue. The sucker's pretty big. It stands about, I don't know, 5 feet tall or so. It's pretty heavy. It's like 230 pounds, 250 pounds. Yeah, it has 1,400 square feet or square inch grilling surface. Comes with 2 racks. Right there you got a place to plug in your probes. You got a little searing handle. Oh jeez. Hold on. Got a little searing plate. It'll go up to 600 degrees. It'll go down to 190. Part I didn't like about it is these door latches. Mine wasn't going to work, so I took them off. They're just too fat. They didn't work. It's the only thing I don't like about this grill so far. But yeah, over here you have a 40-pound hopper. You got your 2 probes up on top. You got your different stuff, your temperature, your actual grill temperature, probe 1, probe 2, Wi-Fi's, Bluetooth to your phone. You got grill lights, hopper lights, so you can cook at night, check your food out, do all that kind of stuff. It does say it takes 9 minutes once you put your pellets in here to get it to the hopper for your initial burn. But you can hit this prime button right here, and that will speed it up down to just a couple minutes. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. You know, it has a couple utensil holders, you know, paper towel holder. The back's pretty good. Let's see, right here you have an ash clean out. You have an oil or a grease tray right here. You pull this little deal. I'm not going to pull it right now, but that'll drop your ashes into the ash bin. So it's pretty tall. It works. We love it. We cooked a few meals on it. We're gonna cook some cookies, some pizza, some pies, all that good stuff. So yeah, tell me what you think. If you have a different barbecue that you like, comment down below. Tell me what you like about it, and we'll see what we can do. Maybe we can make a video on that one as well. So, all right, thanks for watching. Take care. All right, here's the app for the Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Grill. You can see on here, you can change the temperature settings, actual settings that the grill actually is. You got probe 1, probe 2. You got timers. You got recipes for different, you know, grills, smokers, beef, pork, chicken, lamb. You know, that kind of stuff, and then your history. It's the first time kind of using this, so I don't really have any history. But from here you can turn on your grill light, you can turn on your hopper light, see how much wood pellets you have left. You can adjust 5-degree temperatures, the setting of your grill. Yeah.